Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Marvel Rivals thumbnails. We'll dive straight into the essential components that grab viewers' attention. A great thumbnail is your first impression, so mastering it is crucial for your content success. We'll cover everything from selecting the perfect character to ensuring your text is readable and impactful. Get ready to transform your thumbnail game and attract more clicks to your amazing Marvel Rivals videos. When creating your Marvel Rivals thumbnail, focus on three key elements. First, select a recognizable character, perhaps one from the current meta or a fan favorite, to instantly connect with viewers. Second, ensure your base image is of the highest quality. A blurry image will deter clicks. Third, use a vibrant color palette and strong contrast to make your thumbnail visually striking, even at a small size. Aim for a clear focal point. Now, let's talk about the tools and techniques that elevate your thumbnails. Programs like Adobe Photoshop or free alternatives such as GIMP offer powerful editing capabilities. When composing your image, consider the rule of thirds to create a visually appealing layout. Place your main subject slightly off-center for a more dynamic feel. Don't forget subtle enhancements like a soft glow or a thin outline around your character to help them pop against the background. Finally, optimizing your Marvel Rivals thumbnails for maximum engagement is key. Your text should be brief and impactful, ideally 3 to 5 words, conveying your video's core message instantly. Always test multiple thumbnail designs to understand what truly resonates with your audience. A/B testing can provide valuable insights. Consistency in your thumbnail style helps build your channel's brand, making your content easily recognizable and encouraging repeat viewership.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.